The traditional red drop ornaments here, and we have our red train, the North Pole Express. And so we've had this in black before, but this is our train in red, and you can fill your carts with all kinds of ornaments and decoration. Designer tree is here, and we have something that's kind of hidden and a wonderful value for you for your store. If you're looking for something that's ready to go directly in the tree, look at this. This is a wreath piece, a lantern, and a candle that is one piece. It's all together. All you do is put it in your tree or put it on your table and it's ready to go. But if you're really looking for something creative to do with it, you can put it all the way at the top of your tree. And we use this lantern, wreath, and candle set, and we just popped a little bow on the top, and it's the top of our tree. Isn't that a great idea? It's just ready to go. And so if you have those customers that walk in the store and they want something ready to go to change their look, take a look at this value lantern, wreath, and candle set. Lots of glass ornaments, lots of traditional shaped ornaments. The scallop shape that rolls around with the green and the red and the gold. This one with the sparkly red and the white. The cardinal is here again. The cardinals symbolize our loved ones at Christmas time. The marbled ornament is here again. We've seen that in another collection. And of course, look at this Santa with the beautiful snowy scene on his skirt. Isn't that nice? Got a lot of little green shiny, and we've got the cardinals the same way. We've got the ice on the magnolias and the sparkle holly leaves. This is traditional, modern, bright green, bright red type of ornamentation. And it wouldn't be complete unless we had more clip-on LED, turn them on and off with your remote candle lights.